pound dollar didn't really give us any clear direction this week. Since last Friday's NFP, we've hit a consolidation area between the 156.40s and the 158.60s area. The previous daily trend line was breached 3 weeks ago, and recent swing analysis seems to possibly be pointing towards the resumption of a downtrend. However, I'm still staying open-minded on the pound dollar. Last week's bounce off the 200 EMA, as well as the 5600 handle holding price back, still gives a ray of hope that the larger AB equals CD pattern may still have a chance to resume its completion. I'm short the EU with no less than 4 positions going into the weekend, fingers crossed. With the nice bearish candlestick forming right off the bounce of the 50% fib retracement, which also was right under the 200 EMA, I went short, and a little bit later I did the same thing again and again and again. With AB equals CD patterns, it's common to see a 50% retracement off the D leg. The last 4 days, however, were not very smooth in the price action department, possibly because of the Christmas season. Without trying to be a pessimist, I do see some potential argument to support the idea that the downtrend that started on November 4th could be running out of steam. A, the dollar is weak and seems to be getting weaker, and B, by zooming out and drawing a fib from the swing low of June 8th to the high of November 4th, we recently had a bounce off the 50% fib retracement area. I haven't been very impressed with the EJ on the daily time frame lately. It's just been very choppy all around, showing no signs of clear direction. That said, I have been keeping my eye on this here 50% fib retracement area. I almost took a short yesterday on the break of the bearish candle from 2 days ago, but decided to pass. If the stochastic can come up a bit more into the overbought area and curl down at the same time as forming a candlestick, giving some more confirmation, I'll consider taking a small short position. My bias on the pound yen for some time now has been bearish, but I haven't seen many clear areas to enter the market recently. Having said that, I have sectioned off the pound yen on the daily time frame, which seems to be forming a wedge. It also has the look of a potential bear flag, though I'd be cautious looking for big down moves, as we're only several hundred pips away from all-time lows. Hopefully this coming week will show us if the dollar has what it takes to beat the yen and not only break the 84 handle, but to rise higher. Obvious resistance lies around the 86 level with the 200 EMA, but the 85 level also shows potential resistance. And if I may go to the 4-hour chart real quick, if price breaks above this area here of the 84.30s, I'll consider this to be a sign of the beginning of an AB equals CD pattern, good for roughly 200 pips. If I scrunch the chart down a little bit and copy this AB leg and put it to where the CD leg would be, you'll see that we have confluence with the 200 fib extension level off of this swing, which is one more confirmation that price could actually reach that high up. I'm going to very quickly just zip through the last 9 currency pairs so that this video is not too long. Australian dollar US dollar uptrend. New Zealand dollar US dollar uptrend with signs of weakness around the 0.800 level. US dollar Canadian looking very much like the pound yen actually, and definitely in a downtrend. Euro CAD in a downtrend, but recently stuck in this channel. US dollar Swiss franc in a downtrend and possibly forming a bear flag, which would be continued move to the downside, but again, be cautious that we are very close to all-time lows. Euro Swiss franc downtrend. Pound Swiss franc in the downtrend and possibly forming a wedge on the daily time frame. Australian dollar Japanese yen uptrend, possible good entry around the weekly trend line if we get another retest back down to go long on this. And the last pair, the euro pound in a downtrend with some very clean swings, very good entry points all around on this pair to get in on some very good moves. Alright, that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any comments, questions, please feel free to post them. Thank you.